In Fascial Counterstrain, we address inflammation. We work with a series of maps that are located on the head. Those maps tell us what part of the nervous system are affected, what structures are affected. There's about 40 different ones that we can feel restrictions that tell us to look for specific spots in the body. We work with some of the peripheral nerves, the nerves in the chest that control vasoconstriction or blood flow to the head, that control blood flow to the heart and the lungs.
Counterstrain was the only ones I felt instantly helped me with my PTSD symptoms that I had.
I've identified a spot that's related to his adrenal gland. Now I can go to the arterial supply, so I'm draining inflammation out of the walls of that artery itself that constrict blood flow to the adrenal gland. Correcting pockets of inflammation in the adrenal glands restores the adrenal gland's ability to produce cortisol, to produce the anti-inflammatory that lessens the reaction to stress. I'm finding some points that are related to his parasympathetic nervous system. I'm doing a very gentle compression in the area of the vagus nerve, and by doing that, I'm draining inflammation out of that area.
I have experienced incredible results.
The response to treatments with our intervention are really good initially, and even better in a month, and better in 3 months, and we saw the best improvements with our intervention at 6 months.
I couldn't believe it happened. My whole life had changed at that time, and all for the better.
Counterstrain has saved my life, enhanced my life, gave me a little more purpose to life.
Counterstrain is one of the interventions that I think will be part of a comprehensive program of treatment for PTSD in the future. We are able to change the body's primitive reflexive responses to trauma that get in the way of things like cognitive therapy, that get in the way of some of the drug interventions that are going to be great partnerships in the future to help people recover from the symptoms caused by repetitive trauma and stress injuries.